Okay, first step here with the addition of Activa BF to ham is to make up the brine. We have our phosphate, salt, sugar, sodium erythorbate, sodium nitrite, and the Activa BF. Very simple ham brine. The first thing we'll do, we got the water way out behind us. We'll add the phosphate, make sure it gets distributed evenly, mixed in well. Then we'll add the other ingredients. The key with the BF is to add it last. Once it's added, everything else is mixed in the brine well. Add this, mix for another 3 or 4 minutes, and then you're ready to inject it. Add the phosphate. We pre-weighed all the ingredients to get us our final injection percentage that we need. We're doing a 50% injection. Now it's been a couple minutes. We let the phosphate get distributed. Now we're going to add the salt and sugar. Erythorbate and nitrite. This time we can go ahead and add the PG. Let it mix 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll be ready to inject. Okay, what we've done here, we got it primed, we've primed the injector, we've set it. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do 50% injection, so I'm going to add the 2 passes in. So I'm going to start with the first pass. Start with the second pass here. Okay, now we got our injection done. We're going to go ahead and chop it more in this hand. We have a kidney plate, 4-blade knife in. You can also macerate and then tumble. Go ahead and kidney plate this, and then go to a tumble. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add the brine and ham to the paper. We're tumbling. Tumble for about an hour under a vacuum. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull them out and stuff them. And there's a ham. Now there's vacuum stuffer here. 100% vacuum. These are 5.77 inch diameter, stuff diameter casing, fibrous casing, free stuff. Smoke net, so let's set the smoke in the hand. I'm going to go ahead and suck this out, and we'll wait for the smoke. morning, see what we find. Okay, here we are the next morning. We've had the ham in the cooler overnight. We're going to go ahead and pull it out, do some slicing and packing, and get it put away. Alright, now we're going to, we're back in the lab here. We're going to go ahead and take some slices off on the slicer. We'll evaluate it just objectively and subjectively. We're going to run some tests on the texture analyzer also. As you can see, the control's kind of shattered here when we slice it. We're just kind of shaving this and not getting good results with the control. Okay, now we're slicing the .01. Not as good as our higher levels, but still better than the control, still holding up better. Okay, now we're going to slice the 0.02% here, treatment of TG, or the BF. And as you can see, we're still getting much better slices than we were with the control. We're not getting the shattering, we're not getting the flaking here off the blade, so much better. Okay, now we're slicing the TG BF addition. As you can see, it's the same thickness, and these are holding together much better. Not getting near the shattering, not getting the pieces falling off the blade. Okay, what we got here are our slices. The thinner shaved stuff is about 1/2 millimeter. The thicker stuff is 1 millimeter. With the control here, you can see how the slices basically are falling apart. Even the 1 millimeter has got a lot of voids, a lot of cracks. There's no consistency to them at all. As you move up to the 0.01% Activa BF, you can see there's the half a millimeter stuff. It's got some voids, got some cracks. It's holding together much better than the control, but there's still, there's still some voids, still some spots of not holding together. The 1 millimeter is much better. It's pretty much null of any voids. It's a good uniform, consistent slice. As you move up again to the 0.02% BF, the 1/2 millimeter is starting to really hold together. It's starting to show its form. There's very few voids. There's some air pockets, but that's not due to the TG or the BF. So, and then again, the 1 millimeter is definitely holding together, really firm. Can find very little voids. Now here the 1/2 millimeter is holding together very nicely. This is a 0.03% BF. No cracks, no voids due to any breaking from the slicing. This is a very nice product here. And then the 1 millimeter is what you'd expect. No voids at all. Okay, just kind of recap what we've done here. Again, this is a 50% extended ham. Regular salt, sugar, phosphate, sodium erythrorbate, nitrite, and then the different treatments. I think we've shown pretty well that in that type of ham, whether it be a higher extender, maybe lower sodium type ham, there are a lot of benefits to the Activa BF as far as firming up the interior texture of the ham and really helping with the sliceability.